Sony HDRCX405 9.2MP HD Handycam camcorder with free carrying case, black. 30x optical 60x clear image zoom to get closer to the action. 26.8mm wide-angle ZEISS lens. Minimum focus distance approx. 1 cm wide, approx. 80 cm Tele, approx. 0.40 wide, approx. 31.5 Tele. Automatically creates highlight video in MP4 from multiple clips. Optical SteadyShot image stabilization with active mode. Built-in USB cable for easy file transfer charge. Face detection with voice enhancement and noise reduction. SteadyShot image stabilization with active mode. 1920x1080 Full HD 60p with 9.2MP Exmor CMOS sensor. This product does not have an external microphone input. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.